our full moon is upon us, so it is time to do our Witch Baby Spell Box Bath Bomb demo. This one here is called Lightning Moon, and as you can see, it's got lots of gold shimmery glitters all over it. And the scent of this is sandalwood and dragon's blood, and it smells so freaking good. I have no idea what kind of watercolor we're gonna get out of this, so let's stick it on in and see what happens. Alright guys, our Lightning Moon Bath Bomb is all fizzed out. We have a frothy layer on top of our water. There is a ton, absolute ton of shimmer in this water. It is so pretty, and it's like a light peachy color. I definitely smell that dragon's blood scent in this. Just a different, unique smell. If you're tired of citrus scents, just check out some Witch Baby. They have some great fragrances in their bath bombs. They do have a tendency to sink, but their scents are amazing. So I am going to fill up the tub the rest of the way and hop on in. I'll be back with what I thought afterwards. I'm finished with my Lightning Moon Witch Baby Bath Bomb, and you can hear it's raining. I actually had some real lightning with my bath bomb. It was pretty cool. It started to storm while I was taking my bath. But as you can see, I just have a little bit of cleanup, just some of that gold shimmer, and a lot of it did stick to my skin. This was, as always, a moisturizing bath, and the scent was awesome as well. I loved that dragon's blood scent. Witch Baby did just put up a couple new bath bombs on their site, so I placed an order the other day. I'm really excited for that. And the autumn smell boxes will probably be coming soon as well. So also really excited for that because I love doing these moon themed bath bomb demos. So let me know what you guys thought down below. If you're not already subscribed, just hit that button, and I will see you next time.